Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can use Afterpay on eBay. So to use Afterpay on eBay, you need to buy the gift card of eBay on Afterpay and use that gift card on your eBay account. So if you're confused, then watch the video. You want to go to afterpay.com, the official website of Afterpay, and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, over here where it says search, just search for eBay. Search for eBay, it is going to show you eBay gift card. Click on eBay gift card. Once you click on eBay gift card, over here you can choose the amount you want on the gift card and click on buy for yourself. Once you click on buy for yourself, it is going to ask you for your detail like your name and other information. And then it is going to ask you to pay for the card. After you pay for the card, you will receive the gift card of eBay. Then you can use the gift card on eBay's official website. Go into eBay, redeem the gift card, and the amount will be set in your eBay account. And you can use that amount to buy whatever you want from eBay. So that is basically how you guys can use Afterpay on eBay. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.